Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 40 series torque converter is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make for your off-road vehicle, go-kart, or small engine equipment, offering a significant boost in performance and efficiency. In this video, we will deep dive into what makes a 40 series torque converter kit stand out, exploring its features, benefits, and things to consider before purchasing one, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. BLACKHORSE-RACING 40 Series Go-Kart CVT Kit. This kit gives your go-kart a significant performance boost. It's designed for easy installation and peak efficiency. It features a 1-inch bore driver clutch, perfectly sized for optimal power transfer. This ensures smooth and responsive acceleration. It seamlessly integrates with Comet 4044 series torque converters, offering a wide range of compatibility. This makes it a versatile upgrade for many go-karts. The kit comes complete with a 3/4-inch driven clutch and a high-quality belt for a complete and ready-to-install solution. Everything you need is included for a smooth installation. It's designed to work with engines ranging from 8 to 18 horsepower, providing a broad range of applications. This ensures a perfect fit for a variety of go-kart models. It's a direct replacement for several OEM parts across various brands, making it a convenient and cost-effective upgrade. Check the description to see if it fits your model. It offers a wide engagement range of 1600 to 3300 RPM, ensuring optimal performance across various speeds. This provides smooth acceleration and efficient power delivery. What we like. This kit boasts a wide RPM engagement range, making it incredibly versatile. It's compatible with a broad horsepower range, ensuring a perfect fit for various engines. If you need a complete solution including belt and clutches, this is the one for you. What people say. Works flawlessly. Worked very good. Due to the direction of the spring on the non-engine size, driven, IMO it should be installed as I have in this image. Otherwise, the belt may pull the driven open too soon, making the spring seem weak. The balance seems to be fine on both clutch and driven, no wobbles noted. I updated the 3 springs in the clutch driver to be the Comet Red series so that the engagement is at 2000 RPMs instead of 1600 RPMs. Everything is working well. Number 4. Jeremywell 40 Series Torque Converter Kit. This is the Jeremywell 40 Series Torque Converter Kit. It's a direct replacement for many popular models, offering improved performance and reliability. It replaces Comet 40D series and Manco 2432 models. This ensures a perfect fit and seamless integration into your existing setup. It's designed for engines ranging from 8 to 18 horsepower. This makes it suitable for a wide variety of applications. It boasts an engagement range of 1600 to 3300 RPM. This ensures smooth and efficient power transfer. While instructions aren't included, it's designed for straightforward installation. If you have mechanical experience, you should have no trouble. Upgrade your equipment with the Jeremywell 40 series today and experience enhanced performance and durability. Enjoy improved efficiency and reliability. What we like. It's designed for a slightly smaller horsepower range but offers an easy installation process. This makes it a budget-friendly option without sacrificing performance. If you prioritize ease of installation and value, this is a great choice. What people say. Accurate description. I used this on a golf cart conversion with a 13 horsepower engine. Everything worked like it was supposed to. Bought a used but good. Torque converter is a lot beefier than 30 series. Ideal for golf cart build. Number 3. Jeremywell 40 Series Torque Converter Kit. This kit is a direct replacement for many popular models. It's designed for easy installation and improved performance. It's engineered to handle engines from 8 to 18 horsepower. Experience smoother operation and increased efficiency. This torque converter is compatible with various models, including Comet 40D series and Manco 2432. It's the perfect upgrade for your machine. It provides optimal engagement between 1600 and 3300 RPM. Enjoy a wider range of usable power. While instructions aren't included, installation is straightforward for those familiar with this type of work. Upgrade your equipment today. It features a 1-driver and 7/8-driven setup, designed for use with 8 to 16 HP belts. Get the power you need. What we like. This option provides a similar horsepower range and ease of installation as the previous one. It's another cost-effective solution for those seeking a straightforward upgrade. If you're on a budget and need a reliable replacement, consider this one. What people say. Accurate description. I used this on a golf cart conversion with a 13 horsepower engine. Everything worked like it was supposed to. Bought a used but good. Torque converter is a lot beefier than 30 series. Ideal for golf cart build. Number 2. Jeremywell 40 series torque converter kit. This kit is a direct replacement for many popular models. It's designed for easy installation and improved performance. It's built to handle engines from 8 to 18 horsepower. You'll notice a significant difference in your machine's power and efficiency. This kit replaces several Comet 40D series and Menko models. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's right for your equipment. It offers a smooth engagement range from 1600 to 3300 RPM. This ensures optimal performance across various operating conditions. While instructions aren't included, installation is straightforward for those familiar with torque converters. Many online resources can assist. Get the Jeremywell 40 series torque converter kit and experience enhanced power and efficiency. Order yours now. What we like. This kit is another great budget-friendly choice, offering a simple installation process. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and easy-to-install upgrade without breaking the bank. If you value simplicity and affordability, this is a solid option. What people say. Everything looked good, no marks or scratches anywhere, and it fits like it should. Works perfectly with Harbor Freight 13 horsepower engine driven 20 hours, no issue, no burn belts, nothing. It seemed to be well built. Number 1. Predator Dune 40 series torque converter kit. This kit is designed for go-karts, golf carts, and dune buggies with 9 to 16 HP engines. It offers a significant performance upgrade, providing smoother acceleration and higher speeds. It comes with everything you need for a quick and easy installation. No jackshaft is required, and all mounting hardware is included on an easy-to-mount backing plate. This torque converter acts like a transmission, allowing your small engine to achieve higher speeds and smoother acceleration. Get ready to experience more power. It's compatible with all 9 to 16 HP engines that have a straight 1 crankshaft and a 1/4 keyway. This ensures a perfect fit for a wide range of applications. It replaces several OEM part numbers, including Comet 209133A, 209133, 209139A, 209139, 209151A, 209151 and Menko 2432. This makes it a convenient and reliable replacement option. The kit includes the driver clutch, driven clutch, belt, jackshaft, and all mounting hardware. Everything you need is right here for a seamless installation. What we like. This kit stands out with its incredibly easy installation process. It comes complete with all necessary hardware, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience in a hassle-free installation, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It was exactly what I wanted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.